In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a picture over a video in iMovie. First, in order to add some picture, you need to have some video clips right here, and you need to bring your picture to this current project. I'll just go ahead and import my media, which is going to be a subscribe button. This is the picture that I want to put over my video. In order to do that, I'll click on this picture, drag and drop right on top of the video clip that I want to use on. Now, let's just play and see what happened after we just dragged and dropped. You see that it fully overlaid the video right here, so the video is not visible. If you want to make it the button smaller, we will go to this menu, and here we have 4 options. In order to have a picture over the video, we will choose picture in picture, the last option. Now, after we click that, the picture automatically becomes smaller, and you can change the positions. You can also zoom it out, or you can zoom it in. I'll just put it right here and press OK. Now let's play from the beginning. Here you go. The image showed up too quick. I'll just make it longer, like maybe 4 seconds. Let's play. Okay, now it's slow enough to be visible for the viewers.